Tonight's menu, curried chicken. I had huge aspirations of doing like a really cool, Instagram cooking video of how I make curry chicken and the health benefits of it. But the truth of the matter is, it was a rough quarantine today. Anybody who's watching who has kids, I'm sure at some point in the past month, has dealt with the total meltdown that is homeschooling. Today was one of those days for us. I'm tired, I'm worn out, but I still lived to my time block, I got my workout in, and now I'm cooking a healthy dinner. I hope you enjoy this series, and I hope that if your kids are struggling with homeschool, you take a little bit of solace in knowing you are not alone. So why curry? Well, first off, let's talk about some of the things that are in curry. There's a wide variety of spices, including turmeric, black pepper, coriander, cloves, fennel, salt. That's just the beginning. Now, all of those have a variety of health properties. Turmeric is anti-inflammatory. Well, frankly, they all have some degree of anti-inflammatory properties to them. In addition, fennel, it actually relieves gas. There's ginger in curry. Ginger is amazing for the gut health. It helps with gut motility. It helps to settle the stomach. So really, this is, for me, one of the most anti-inflammatory dishes we can make in our household. Depending on what you put in it, too, it's also jam-packed with phytonutrients from vegetables and fiber. For instance, for me, I put onions, bell peppers, and Brussels sprouts in mine. So this dish is going to be jam-packed with nutrients.